Hello and welcome to another episode of Freedom Caravan's How To. Today we're going to be taking a look at how you operate the gas hob inside your Freedom Caravan. To operate the hob, you're going to want to make sure that your gas supply is connected and turned on, and that you've also got a lighter of some description. We're going to start by simply opening the lid to the hob. You're then going to want to press the control knob in, and at the same time as keeping it in, turn it to the left, take your lighter and light the hob. We can then adjust the flame by simply adjusting the control knob, either left or right. Once you've finished cooking, simply raise both of the control knobs to the upright position, and then it's very important that you allow the hobs to cool before closing the lid. Thank you for watching this episode of Freedom Caravan's How To. For more videos and information, please visit freedomcaravans.com/help.